Greetings, in today's tutorial, we're tackling a common data cleaning issue, the task of removing those bothersome empty rows. What's more, we'll do it all at once, saving you precious time and frustration. Join me as we learn how to effortlessly remove empty rows from an Excel sheet, regardless of their locations. Let's jump right in. Imagine you have a spreadsheet brimming with data, but it's marred by empty rows scattered throughout. These gaps can be a real eyesore and hinder your data analysis. But fear not, as I'm about to show you a quick and effective way to get rid of these empty rows all at the same time. Head to the editing group on the Home tab and click on Find and select. From the drop-down, choose Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select blanks and hit OK. This action will highlight all the empty rows. Now, brace yourself for the magic moment, head to the Cells group and click the Delete. From the drop-down, choose Delete Sheet Rows. All those empty rows are gone, without a trace. Your data is now leaner and cleaner, ready for analysis. Upon encountering a new scenario, you'll encounter an Excel sheet with dual work zones. One zone features empty rows. The other holds filled content. In this situation, select the area that includes the blank cells. Click on Find and select. From the drop-down, choose Go to Special. Select blanks and hit OK. This action will highlight all the empty cells within your selected range. Head to the Cells group and click the Delete. Choose Delete Cells. Select Shift Cells Up. Removing empty rows in Excel all at the same time is a game changer when it comes to optimizing your workflow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more invaluable Excel tips, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, may your data always be organized and your formulas error-free.